Hey there, Mike. Okay, so let's go over the door handle. And so this is actually your file, but I'm gonna back it up. So I'm just gonna go. So basically, I created two sketches. So the first sketch I created was this. Let's just go ahead and edit the sketch. So as you can see, this sketch is just kind of the one edge of the door handle. So if I rotate, it's coming down the middle. So it's on this plane, right? Yeah, right there, the XY plane. So that's where I started that sketch. And so I just used the dimensions from the drawing and started, right from this point, drew it out. So it's just one profile, just like that. And then I clicked finish sketch. And then I drew a second sketch right after it. It was right there. And it is just a rectangle. So I basically did a center rectangle. I made it, parallel to that, drew the rectangle out to the edge, and then I dimensioned it to 0.2 to match the drawing for the door handle. And then I did a sweep. So in the sweep, I'll go ahead and edit the sweep so you can see. So edit feature. So in the selected profile is the rectangle, and I actually had to select two pieces because it selected this half and then that half. That's why it says two selected. So it's just the two halves of the profile there. And then the path is the path that the rectangle is sweeping along. So it was that top sketch right there. You click select, you click join so that it's not like a cut or an intersect or something weird like that. Join, click OK. And there you go. You've got your door handle. So hopefully that helps. And if not, let me know and we'll try something else.